Hello everyone. Question is a company wants to use AWS development tools to replace its current bash deployment scripts. The company currently deploys a LAMP application to a group of Amazon EC2 instances behind an application load balancer ALB. During the deployments, the company unit tests the committed application, stops and starts services, unregisters and re-registers instances with the load balancer and updates file permissions. The company wants to maintain the same deployment functionality through the shift to using AWS services. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Use AWS code build to test the application. Use bash scripts invoked by AWS code deploys appspec.yml file to restart services and deregister and register instances with the ALB. Use the appspec.yml file to update file permissions without a custom script. Option B. Use AWS code pipeline to move the application from the AWS code commit repository to AWS code deploy. Use code deploy's deployment group to test the application, unregister and re-register instances with the ALAND restart services. Use the appspec.yml file to update file permissions without a custom script. Option C. Use AWS code pipeline to move the application source code from the AWS code commit repository to AWS code deploy. Use code deploy to test the application. Use code deploy's appspec.yml file to restart services and update permissions without a custom script. Use AWS code build to unregister and re-register instances with the ALB. Option D. Use AWS code pipeline to trigger AWS code build to test the application. Use bash scripts invoked by AWS code deploys appspec.yml file to restart services. Unregister and re-register the instances in the AWS code deploy deployment group with the ALB. Update the appspec.yml file to update file permissions without a custom script. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company runs an application with an Amazon EC2 and on-premises configuration. A DevOps engineer needs to standardize patching across both environments. Company policy detects that patching only happens during non-business hours. Which combination of actions will meet these requirements? Choose three options. Option A. Add the physical machines into AWS Systems Manager using Systems Manager hybrid activations. Option B. Attach an IAM role to the EC2 instances, allowing them to be managed by AWS Systems Manager. Option C. Create IAM access keys for the on-premises machines to interact with AWS Systems Manager. Option D. Run an AWS Systems Manager automation document to patch the systems every hour. Option E. Use Amazon Event Bridge scheduled events to schedule a patch window. Option F. Use AWS Systems Manager maintenance windows to schedule a patch window. Correct answer is option A, E, and option F. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.